All right, so today we have a vehicle electrical system circuit tester. Now this one has a 2.4-inch LCD screen. It's the P100 Pro, multi-millimeter, 0 to 5 volt power, hertz. These are colorful, they have different colors. Top has a nice handle. Also, the box is very nice. You can see my color is apparently blue, and special thanks to the company for sending this my way. The back, a little bit more of the functions and working temperatures, external power, etc., etc. Nothing on the bottom at all. So let's open this on up. Oh, whoa, wasn't expecting a nice carrying case like that. Wow. That's it for the box. All right, so very nice soft case here with a nice little handle and a nice zipper. Nothing else on it besides their logo there on the front. And let's take this out. Oh wow, hold on. More than I expected is in this thing. So these seem to be, all right, so we got, these things. I don't fully, wow, that's sharp. Don't fully know truthfully what I'm looking at. We got a USB to USB cable, it looks like. So that's possibly to plug into a computer, maybe to get some information, not certain. It does come with a full instruction booklet, so I'll tell you everything you need to know how to do it. And then here, this looks like some cable maybe? Yeah, this is just an unboxing, so hopefully if you're watching this video, you know what you're looking at. You're just kind of seeing what you get. Looks like we also even have some clamps. These look like they would go on a battery. It's really cool. Wow. Okay. And then, that plugs into some, and all right. Then this is our little blue device. Decent length here on the cable. There's your USB. And that's like a little clip, and this seems like it'd plug into, this other stuff. So there's an escape button, an OK button, and up, down, left, right. Got their logo on it, and of course, there we go. So P100 Pro Intelligent Circuit Tester. Looks like there's some lights there. Wow, this is really something else. All right, well, that is what you would get in this item. It does look like, this little piece sticks down in there, and then, boop, and test your circuit. At least that's what I think. I like that they put a cap on that because that's really sharp. So there we go. That's my P100 Pro unboxing. This is everything that comes inside of this box if you were to buy one of these vehicle electrical system circuit testers. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you out, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.